Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching a new video. I've been missing in action for a few weeks. Went away on vacation to Italy. I'm back. Now I'm on my way to the Fluid Art Boutique to help out Mina for the week. And then I have got a Christmas show going from November 3rd through December 25th, where I'm going to be selling all of my art, all my coasters I've made. So it's going to be a pretty busy couple of months all the way through the end of the year. But I'm going to try, and I'm definitely going to get one video out every single week, which will be on Sundays. I'm going to try to get another video out earlier in the week, but I just can't do it quite yet. But I will get back to posting 2 videos a week. But as of right now, we're just going to stick to one. Okay, so today I'm just going to do a bloom. I've got a 14-inch round canvas that I got from Michael's. And again, I'm just going to use up all these old paints, and I'm trying to create something that I can sell in the Christmas show. So let's get started. I'll get you down on the canvas. I'll be right back. All right, what I've got is a 14-inch round canvas. Like I'm going to do a kind of like a deconstructed bloom, playing with some leftover paint. So today I'm going to flood my canvas with some white, and then I am going to be using Pebeo Studio Acrylics in the violet blue, green blue, blue green, and I'm also going to be using Deco Art in the deep sapphire. And my cell activator today is going to be Amsterdam Oxide Black with Australian Floetrol, mixed 1 part of paint and 3 parts of Australian Floetrol. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just do a quick pour here in the center of the white. Go. Give a little pop of these air bubbles here. All right, now we're just going to layer a few bit of colors. So let's do maybe 2 puddles. Sapphire, green, blue, green, red, blue. Ooh. And some of the cell activator. All right, I got a little itty bitty hair dryer here. It's only got 1 speed, so I'm hoping it's not going to be too strong. We're going to blow this out. Definitely selling up here in the middle. Got a lot of gathering over here. I'm not sure how I'm gonna like that. We'll see though. right, let's give this a little tilt and let's see what we get out of this. All right, not bad. Just don't like the composition. Color isn't really moving around the way I want it either. So let's try something different. We're gonna do an open cup on top of this. While this is selling up, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a little wreckage. All right, now I'm really loving this composition. I'm loving the cells. This is really, really cool. right, here it is dry. Turned out pretty cool. I'm gonna put some resin on this, make it really pop. I'm gonna make some coasters, I think, that'll go along with this. That'll probably sell as a group set in the Christmas show. Let me take you in real quick. All right, that's gonna do it for today's video. So as I did not plan, I started out with some sort of type of bloom. Didn't work out, so we converted over to an open cup, which I'm very happy that I did because this really dried great. I love the effects that I got in this. Using the Australian Floetrol really helped gather all these huge cells that we got through here. I love the color combination, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and do a set of coasters to go along with this, and then I'll be able to sell it in the Christmas store as a set. Really liked it, came out great. All right, everyone, that's gonna do it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you're at the Fluid Art Boutique, I'm there right now, so we're probably already chit-chatting and talking. So very happy to meet everyone. If you're not there, I will also be at the Fluid Art Experience in Dallas, Texas. I'll be helping Mina again there too. So, all right, everyone, I see you next time. Bye-bye.